Okay, the next question here that we're looking at is temperatures of seasons. So the same pond is shown in summer on the left and in winter on the right. The distance from the Earth to the Sun does not change significantly throughout the seasons. In fact, the Earth is slightly closer to the Sun during the winter. So you're asked here, explain in detail why winter temperatures are cooler than summer temperatures. And you're asked to refer to the position of the Earth relative to the position of the Sun. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you this little diagram here. And basically what happens and the way the Earth is tilted, and it's actually at an angle of about 23.5 degrees, okay? So we're obviously in the northern hemisphere, okay? So if I look here, and the northern hemisphere, it's tilted away from the Sun. So when it's tilted away from the Sun, we're going to end up with winter. Okay, so that would mean here, the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. So the southern hemisphere there gets their summer. However, as the Earth continues to rotate around its own axis, okay, we then end up pretty much 6 months later in this position. And if we look at this, the northern hemisphere here now is tilted towards the towards the Sun. So because now the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, it is going to be summer. And in the southern hemisphere, if I look here, it is tilted away, then that is going to be winter. So the reason why winter temperatures are cooler than summer temperatures is because in summer temperatures, okay, which is, we look at the northern hemisphere, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, whereas at winter temperatures, it leans away from the Sun. So that's the answer to part A. Part B then is describe why winter and summer occur on Earth. And the reason why it occurs on the Earth is due to the Earth's tilt, okay? So the fact that the Earth here is tilted means that that gives us our summer and winter, okay? And then here you're just asked to, and this is pretty much the same question, explain the differences in average temperature between winter and summer. Use the diagrams below as a reference. So here in winter, northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. Therefore, the temperatures are going to be lower. So you're just linking the tilting with the lower temperatures when it's away, and you're linking the temperatures when it is closer to higher temperatures. So if we look here, the tilt of the Earth in the northern hemisphere is away from the Sun. So that will give lower average temperatures. And then in B, tilt of the Earth in northern hemisphere is towards the Sun. So higher average temperatures. Okay, so A is because your winter temperatures are cooler because it is going to lean away from the Sun, whereas in the summer it leans towards. Why winter and summer occur on Earth? Due to the Earth's tilt, okay? And then when the Earth is tilted towards the Sun, as it is here, you have summer. And when it is tilted away from the Sun, it is here. And remember, when we have winter in the northern hemisphere, they have summer. And when we have summer here, then the southern hemisphere will have winter. So they work opposite.